In this video, I'll show you how to make a copy on your Epson EcoTank ET-3850. So to make a copy, you need to scan a document first. Here I have a picture, but if you have a document with, let's say, 20 pages, 30 pages, and you want to make a copy of all of them at the same time, well, you're going to use the top document feeder that is on the top, okay? You need to open this plastic thing, put your pages facing up with the top part of your document towards the left side and glide, just like that. This is how you input paper on the top. If you just have one page that you want to make a copy, you can use the scanner glass. To use it, place your document facing down, and now we need, okay, to bring this corner, okay, the one with an arrow, to the corner of your paper. So do this until both are touching. This is how you know that your paper is aligned. Close the lid, and now let's go on the display. Over here, we're going to select copy. If you don't see that, press the home button and it should appear. Select OK. We have the choice between black and white or a color copy, so you can choose that using the left and right arrows and OK to select. And then there's other options that you can play with. If you go in advanced settings here, you can select the type of paper you're gonna choose. If you want to enlarge, so zoom in or zoom out of make a copy. You have the quality, remove shadows. I mean, there's so many things. If you're scanning a card, like an ID card, you need to make sure that ID card copy is turned on. At the end, once you played with these settings and you're happy, all you have to do, well, select the number of copies with the plus and minus buttons and press this button over here. And here we go. I got a copy of the document I have input right over there. Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, comment down below. Check my Amazon links if you want new ink, some paper for your printer, and I'll see you in the next video. Don't forget to comment as well.